Hey guys, it's Coach David here with Trading Friends, and in this 5-minute quick video, I want to go over a couple different things that are new on the website, and then I really want to ask you a question that's kind of been Mike Fasola, a trading friend of mine for over a decade. It's kind of a question that we both have asked each other back and forth, and so maybe if I just post it out here on YouTube, maybe somebody will answer it. So first of all, if you want to join our Slack group, click right here on the website. What's the website? Tradingfriends.org. Simple. Click on the Slack and you can get into the group for free. I don't charge anything, but I'm not giving signals over there anymore. I'm not broadcasting trades so you can quote, try to copy trade. That doesn't work. Let me go ahead and tell you that. Anybody says that work is a damn liar. It does not work because they don't have the same amount of money. They don't have the same mindset. They don't have the same education as you. So they're just going to keep making more and more money, and you're just going to keep pissing money away. Fact. But if you want to come hang out in the group, ask some of the members some questions, ask them about me, check out some of the free things that I put over there, then just go right there on Slack and do it. You're already probably watching this on YouTube, and you know how to get to YouTube, but you can actually get to YouTube now from the website. Here's where you should buy the most important book for you, and I think it's about $5, and that is called A Trader's Winning Mindset, The Psychology of Forex Trading. I wrote the book, I published the book, so I think it's a pretty good book. Not many people have bought the book because I suck at advertising. I suck at marketing. That is not my skill set. My skill set is coaching, mentoring, and teaching. That is my skill set. So go check the book out. Be the best $5 you ever spent. You'll probably figure out whether or not you can even do this. If you want to go another route, then go over here where it says classes, courses, and sessions. And in that section, you can see that the very first thing you see is your free Forex journey overview with Coach. It says 30 minutes. It's probably going to be an hour. And then at the end of that, the only question that you have to ask yourself, did I learn enough to make me want to take the second course? Right here. And then at the end of that, did I learn enough that I want to take this one? And at the end of that, did I learn enough that I want to take this one? And at the end of that, did I learn enough that I want to take this one? And at the end of that, did I learn enough I want to take this one? And by that time, you've got between 6 and 12 hours of my time absolutely free. And you're probably going to learn more in that 6 to 12 hours than you're going to learn spending $5,000 at a trading academy or some guy's video crap that won't work, or some group to where the only guy that's making any money is the guy calling the signals, right? This is not like a new gimmick. So come take those 6 free classes. And then at the end of those, you have to make a decision. Do I want to take this course? Now it says 99 hours. It's going to be much more than that. My website only lets me put 2 digits there. If I had to guess, I'd probably say 500 hours, right? But it's a one-time cost of $2,995. If your immediate reaction is, oh my God, that costs too much, then you're at the wrong place, right? And if you think that $3,000 is too much for an education that can produce you $1,000 a day, right? Then I don't know what else to tell you. It's like Mike said, I told you in the beginning of this, Mike and I ask each other all the time, why don't people take the free courses, free classes, and find out what is actually required? And we think the same thing. We think the reason is people are lazy, that they don't want to learn. They just want somebody to do it for them. And that's why 97% of the people fail. Right. So this isn't rocket science, but I have joked and said it's pretty damn close. It is. You're going to have to come in and be prepared to work. Right. So ask yourself this. If I don't have $3,000 to invest in education so I can learn how to do this correctly, then what in the world are you thinking about trading? Like, how much do you think it takes to trade? $10? I mean, come on. So help me help you. And if you have any questions, let me know. I won't bullshit you. I'll tell you the truth. You either can do it or you can't do it. You either have the time to do it, the money to do it, or the education to do it. 3 must-haves. Please let me know. See you soon. Peace.